This tutorial will show you how to print your logbook. Using your credentials, log in into your driver portal. Under Organization ID, enter 6278 followed by your driver code and your password. Once you are signed in, click on HOS from the top menu and go to Print Multiple Driver Logs. Click on Dates to print your logs. Please note you can only print backdate to 6 months. But when printing these logs, divide them in 90 days or max of 180 days. Once you have selected the range date, select the log format and click on Print. Once you clicked on Print, it will take a few minutes to download your logs and it will automatically download to your default folder. Once completed, you can log out from the portal.